Bus transit professionals from across North America gathered for APTA's 2016 Bus and Paratransit Conference and International Bus Rodeo in Charlotte, North Carolina.
Our decision to be here was one of our association's most important actions. It demonstrates the vital role of our bus agencies and the businesses they rely on.
But in many ways, this conference is about getting back to basics.
Attendees had the chance to build professional networks, get new and fresh ideas, and discover the latest innovations at the bus display and the products and service showcase.
The conference has been really great for me, the opportunity to network with other authorities around the country, share some things that are going on in my authority, and get some ideas from them of how we can move forward. So the networking has been awesome.
I'm involved in paratransit. This is perfect for me because I get a chance to look at what vehicles may be coming out in the future, what products there are as far as managing those vehicles, and I get a chance to network.
Throughout the conference, we spotlighted the impact and strength that diversity brings to our society.
We are stronger, we are richer through embracing the value of diversity and inclusion through all the work that we do.
With more than 60 technical sessions, conference attendees were able to take new ideas to their organizations.
I was here at the maintenance managers Monday yesterday, and that was really informative. There was a lot of great discussion on the path that transit is taking towards all electric and alternative fuels. That was really informative to see what the transit agencies are doing right now and then what's coming down the pike in the future.
Attendees also learned about the future of transit from the closing remarks of keynote speaker John Martin.
You are part of community, and now you're part of economic development. So your long-term growth plan needs to be a long-term regional growth plan. How to keep your city as one of those winners in the future when demography is going to wash over all of us and change cities into winners or losers.
We also took time to celebrate the support of accessible transportation in the Walk and Roll Wellness event and the industry's top operators and maintenance teams at the International Bus Rodeo. APTA thanks our host, CATS, Charlotte Area Transit System, for the 2016 Bus and Paratransit Conference and International Bus Rodeo. We look forward to seeing you in Reno, Nevada in 2017.